Okay, this is some parking garage at like Cedar and Trowbridge, I think. Let's check these elevators out. Uh-oh. It's a little parking garage, but it's a nice parking garage. Hopefully I don't get stuck. I hear one of them. There's only one set in here. I think it's this one. Yep. Okay. Nice. Let's go to one. Green LEDs. Beautiful. You can kind of see through the door. This thing is slow and bumpy. We're at the bottom. Go up to 4. Door close works. Pretty generic parking garage elevator. It's got the ADA compliant panel. You can see through the doors and how freaking slow this thing is. I mean, good lord. Here we are. Oh, it overshoots and comes back down. You know what? Let's send that one down. Look at the other one. You can tell this garage is owned by the university because it's not disgusting as shit, and the elevators actually look taken care of. Hello. Does this one overshoot too? Nope. This one's got a fan. Let's go down to 1. This one's a little nicer. You can't see through the doors on this one. The floor's a little vibrating. Man, these things are slow. And creaky. Button already went out. There's the plaque. Go back up to 4. Same exact, hi, using my phone. Same exact as the other one. The afterthought phone. Oh, you can't see through the door. It's a long space between floors here. We'll watch the button go out, and then we'll watch it level. Look how long that takes to level. Holy crap. Nice view. Oh, there it went. And just for S&H or S&G, come out here. Here is the top of the garage, and these are the only elevators. But there's a view down. I could have made these elevator glass. It would have been a pretty cool view, but I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web, wix.com/theelevatorworld/fans. Bye-bye.